While artificial intelligence is adept at handling vast amounts of data and providing insightful analysis, the human element remains indispensable in forensic engineering. You see, AI acts as the powerful engine, crunching numbers, detecting patterns, and identifying anomalies. But it's the human expertise that drives the car, interpreting these insights and making informed decisions. Forensic engineering is a field that often deals with complex problems and unique scenarios. This is where human intuition and experience come into play. Humans understand the context, the nuances, and the subtleties that a machine might overlook. We bring creativity, ethics, and a moral compass to the table, aspects that are currently beyond the reach of AI. In essence, the human-AI partnership in forensic engineering is like a symphony orchestra, where every instrument has its part to play for the melody to come alive. It's not about replacing humans, it's about enhancing our capabilities. So, what does this all mean for the future of forensic engineering? Well, let's distill the essence of our discussion. We've explored the captivating realm of forensic engineering, highlighting its complexities and the intricate puzzles it presents. Then we delved into the transformative power of artificial intelligence, its capability to sift through vast data, identify patterns, and offer precise predictions, all of which are invaluable in the world of forensics. But the true game-changer emerged when we combined the creative problem-solving skills of humans with the computational prowess of AI. This symbiotic partnership paves the way for unprecedented possibilities, making forensic investigations more accurate, efficient, and insightful. As we look toward the horizon, it's clear that this blend of human intuition and AI intelligence is not just a fleeting thought, but an inevitable evolution in forensic engineering. This fusion will shape the future, unlocking new dimensions of discovery and understanding. The future of forensic engineering is not just human and not just AI, but a powerful partnership of the two.